As a project management expert, I understand that efficiency and organization are paramount to the success of any business, especially when you're juggling multiple ventures. You're likely exploring Zoho Books as a central hub for your financial management, and a crucial question arises. How many companies can I actually create and manage within a single Zoho Books account? This is a fundamental consideration for entrepreneurs, holding companies, or anyone overseeing several distinct business entities. The answer, thankfully, is quite accommodating for those with ambitious growth plans. Zoho Books operates on a subscription-based model, and the number of organizations, which Zoho uses interchangeably with companies, you can create is directly tied to your chosen plan. Unlike some accounting software that imposes strict limits even on higher tiers, Zoho Books offers a tiered approach that allows you to scale your organizational structure as your business portfolio expands. Let's break down the different Zoho Books plans and their corresponding organization limits. 1. The free plan, a solid starting point. Zoho Books offers a free plan, which is fantastic for sole proprietors, freelancers, or very small businesses just starting. However, the free plan has a significant limitation regarding multiple organizations. Organization limit. The free plan allows you to manage only one organization. This means if you have multiple distinct businesses, even if they are small, the free plan won't accommodate managing their finances separately within the same Zoho Books account. You would need to choose a paid plan to handle multiple entities. 2. The standard plan, stepping up for growing businesses. The standard plan is the first paid tier and offers a substantial increase in capabilities, including the ability to manage more than one company. Organization limit. The standard plan allows you to create and manage up to 3 organizations. This plan is ideal for entrepreneurs managing a couple of different ventures or perhaps a business with a distinct subsidiary. It provides the necessary separation for clear financial tracking and reporting for each entity. 3. The professional plan, enhanced features for expanding operations. As your business interests grow further, the professional plan provides even greater flexibility and a higher organization limit. Organization limit. The professional plan allows you to manage an unlimited number of organizations. This is a significant advantage for holding companies, businesses with numerous subsidiaries, or individuals with a diverse portfolio of ventures. The ability to manage unlimited organizations within a single Zoho Books account streamlines your financial oversight, reduces the need for multiple software subscriptions, and simplifies consolidated reporting. 4. The premium plan, advanced capabilities for complex structures. The premium plan builds upon the professional plan with more advanced features, but the organization limit remains the same. Organization limit. The premium plan also allows you to manage an unlimited number of organizations. The focus of the premium plan is on enhanced automation, workflow management, and advanced reporting capabilities, not on increasing the number of manageable entities. 5. The elite and ultimate plans, comprehensive solutions for large enterprises. The top-tier plans, elite and ultimate, are designed for larger and more complex businesses with sophisticated needs. Organization limit. Both the elite and ultimate plans continue to offer an unlimited number of organizations. These plans focus on providing end-to-end business management solutions, encompassing inventory management, project accounting, advanced analytics, and more, while still allowing for the centralized financial management of numerous business entities. Key takeaways for managing multiple companies in Zoho Books. Plan matters. The number of companies you can manage is directly linked to your Zoho Books subscription plan. Free plan limitation. The free plan is limited to a single organization. Scalability. Paid plans, starting with the standard plan, offer the ability to manage multiple organizations. Unlimited potential. The professional, premium, elite, and ultimate plans provide the significant benefit of managing an unlimited number of organizations. Why managing multiple companies in one Zoho Books account is beneficial. For those overseeing several business entities, consolidating financial management within a single Zoho Books account offers numerous advantages. Centralized access. You can access the financial data of all your businesses from a single login, eliminating the need to switch between multiple accounts. This significantly improves efficiency and reduces administrative overhead. Simplified reporting. Generating consolidated financial reports across all your organizations becomes much easier. This provides a holistic view of your overall financial performance and simplifies strategic decision-making. Cost effectiveness. Depending on the number of companies you manage, consolidating into a single Zoho Books account on a plan that supports multiple organizations can be more cost-effective than subscribing to separate accounting software for each entity. Streamlined workflows. Managing users and access permissions across all your organizations is simplified within a single account. You can control who has access to which company's data from a central point. Consistency. Using the same accounting software across all your businesses ensures consistency in your financial processes, chart of accounts, and reporting standards. Practical considerations when managing multiple companies. While Zoho Books makes managing multiple companies relatively straightforward, here are some practical considerations to keep in mind. Data separation. Zoho Books ensures clear separation of financial data between different organizations. Each company operates as a distinct entity within the system. User roles and permissions. Carefully configure user roles and permissions to ensure that individuals only have access to the financial data of the companies they are authorized to manage. Intercompany transactions. Zoho Books allows you to record and manage intercompany transactions between your different organizations. It's crucial to handle these correctly for accurate financial reporting. Consolidation setup. When you need to generate consolidated reports, you'll need to configure the consolidation settings within Zoho Books to accurately combine the financial data from your different organizations. Choosing the right plan. Carefully assess the number of companies you currently have and your future growth plans to select the Zoho Books plan that best suits your needs. Upgrading is usually seamless if your requirements change.